Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. Today, we'll be making a spin on one of my favorite classic cocktails, the Sazerac. And this is the Orange Sazerac. And before I get started, if you want to learn more about making cocktails low carb and more keto friendly, go ahead and click the subscribe button, the little bell icon, and you'll be notified every time I put a video out. But now, let's go ahead and get started. Just like a Sazerac, it's going to be a rye whiskey based drink. So you're going to need some rye whiskey. And as you can see, I really like my Orange Sazeracs. I got enough for one more left. In a Sazerac, the other ingredient you're going to need is going to be absinthe. Now, that's really just going to be to rinse the glass to get the aroma of that licorice in your Sazerac. But in place of that, we'll be using an orange liqueur. And I have my low-carb orange liqueur, triple sec, whatever you want to call it. I call it my low-carb triple sec. And you can see a video right here on how I do this. I get 1 gram of carbs. Now, in all honesty, you're not really consuming this. It's there just for the fragrance. Now, you could use another orange liqueur like Salerno's Blood Orange, Cointreau, or any orange liqueur, triple sec that you wanted to, because you're really not consuming it by any volume that the carbs would be anything to worry about. The last thing you're going to need, well, not the last, but the next thing you're going to need in the Sazerac is usually peychaudes bitters. Now, if you're doing Orange Sazerac, we'll be using orange bitters. And then the last thing is you're going to need a sugar cube. Again, keto, low carb, no sugar. So what I have is some simple syrup from Monin. They call it their sweetener, sugar-free sweetener. It is 0 net carbs. It is, well, it's got 1 carb, but it is erythritol. So erythritol is a sugar alcohol, and if you're counting net carbs, you have 0. If you're counting total carbs, you have 1. So however you count your carbs, that's how you'll count this. So let's go ahead and get started. What you're going to need is a mixing glass. We'll start off with 2 ounces of our rye whiskey. That should just be all of it, I'm pretty sure. Yep, spot on 2. And that's empty. And next you're going to need is some orange bitters. We're going to do 2 dashes. I like 3. Do what you like. But a recipe for a Sazerac is usually 2 dashes. I really enjoy orange bitters. So we're going to get 2 orange bitters. ½ ounce of simple syrup. The pumps Monin comes with, that's going to be 2 pumps. And that's it. We'll add some ice. And we're going to give this a stir. Okay, and in your glass, this is the way you take the orange liqueur. And we're just going to pour a little bit in there. It doesn't matter, because all you're going to do is swirl it around the glass, coat the glass really nice, and that's it. So just kind of turn it on the side and just wet the inside of the glass. And once you got that done, you actually just dump the rest. Now we'll strain this into our rocks glass. Add 1 large ice cube and 1 orange peel. With your orange peel, you want to then express the oils from that peel into the drink. You go ahead and rub the oils around the outside of the glass. And if you want to, you can put it on the outside of the glass, kind of all over the place, and drop that in. And there you have the Orange Sazerac. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Man, that is absolutely, this is, I think, second to a daiquiri. This is my second favorite cocktail. Daiquiri is my go-to cocktail when I can't decide what I want. This is my second favorite. By rubbing the orange peel on the outside of the glass, you get that orange on the fingers, so you're always smelling that, so it really enhances the flavor. And before I even take a sip, I get that burst of citrus, that orange in my nose. And this is an absolutely delicious cocktail. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Again, if you hadn't done before in the beginning of the video, click subscribe. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. But hey, if you leave me a thumbs down, tell me why. And y'all have a good day, because I know I will.